Hey, I'm Matias with Toast. We're back with another unboxing video. Today we have the brand new MacBook Pro 16-inch. Still fully packaged. We actually got this straight from Apple. Big shout out to Rob for hooking us up with this. This is awesome. So we're gonna open this up, take a look at what it looks like, and compare it to an older model. So let's open this guy up. Ooh, it's a heavy box. All right. Wait for it. There we go. All right. So it looks like we've got the silver, I think. All right. Well. Kind of actually looks gray in certain. Is this maybe the space gray? This is it looks darker in certain angles. Let's see, what does this say? It doesn't say. But yeah, it's actually it's more of a gunmetal look to it. Looks very familiar if you're used to these guys. So let's open it up. See what it looks like on the inside. This new 16-inch screen. It looks pretty. I can barely see. There's probably a 1/4 inch bezel on the sides here, so they really crammed that in, and maybe a 1/2 inch at the top and a 1/4 inch at the bottom. So yeah, they really reduced the bezels on that guy. Heard a lot about the speakers on these things being pretty sweet. Look at the size of the trackpad. This thing's massive. And yeah, the screen. It's nice not having those bezels. We've got our touch bar at the top there, and I guess the physical escape, which was a big thing, adding that onto the touch.
The voiceover quick start.
Yeah, so I guess most people are excited about getting some butterfly keys here again. Feel good to me. We've gotten a full USB-C here. Still got a headphone jack, which is nice. So yeah, similar to the touch bars with the 4 USB-Cs. You know, looks pretty standard, but you know, typical beautiful Apple. So this is like a 2015 Retina, so we can kind of see how the size and everything stacks up on this guy. Holy cow, it's like dead on side to side. They really, yeah, they kept the dimensions exactly to that. Corners are a little sharper, but man, this is like almost identical dimensions as my old 15. So yeah, you can see kind of how massive the bezels are on the old 15. Comparing that to the new 16 here. So you can definitely see a change in real estate there. They got rid of the big chunky hinge, and they've got this sort of hidden pivot in there, which is nice. And wow, that trackpad is quite a different size. So yeah, overall impressions, I mean, definitely like an upgrade in screen size, and I guess clarity is going to be a lot nicer. Good feeling keys, going back to the old butterfly. Just feeling it with, compared to my old 15, that feels pretty similar actually. These feel a little looser actually. My old ones feel a little sloppier, but hey, this has been around the block a few times. Amazing that they, you know, crammed that bigger screen in the exact same footprint, which is nice. So it's not going to take up any more desk real estate and everything. And carrying these things, 15s tend to be a little bit big on the airplanes and things, but usable. Anyways, so that's our first impressions of the new MacBook 16-inch. And we're gonna get to work toasting it, getting some awesome wood covers on it, and making that available to you. So if you like these videos, you like these unboxings, feel free to like them, make a comment, ask a question, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.